Spain is one of the best study destinations among European countries to pursue a degree for international students. In fact, it is an ideal destination for all international students who value century-old educational expertise, a beautiful climate, and golden beaches. Spain has a total of 76 universities, out of which 45 are public and 31 are private universities, which include some of the best business schools. Spain also is the home to the University of Salamanca, which is one of the oldest universities in the world. Some of the top universities in Spain are University of Barcelona. The University of Barcelona offers trainings that emphasizes quality and innovation above all. Students can choose from various study fields including health sciences, social sciences, humanities, engineering, and experimental sciences. Next is the Autonomous University of Madrid. The Autonomous University of Madrid is among the top universities in Spain due to its comprehensive student training and international recognition. It offers training in various study fields including science, philosophy, psychology, business, law, medicine, and teacher training. Next is the University of Navarra. The University of Navarra is one of the private universities located on the southeast border of Pamplona, Spain. It offers study degrees across numerous disciplines including architecture, communication, humanities, social sciences, medicine, theology, etc. Next is the Polytechnic University of Valencia. This university specializes in the field of science and technology. It offers degree programs across different schools including architecture, engineering, civil, design, industrial, telecommunications, etc., business administration, and fine arts. Next is IE University. It is a private higher education institution and one of the most international universities with degrees available across numerous fields of study from applied mathematics, computer science, and AI to the study of law. Now comes the question of learning Spanish to study in Spain. Is it compulsory? Are there any English taught programs? Well, as an international student choosing to attend a university in Spain, you must prepare yourself. Most of the universities in the country teach their studies in the Spanish language. It is highly advisable that you be able to speak, read, write, and understand the Spanish language before you choose to enroll in a college in the country. One of the key requirements to apply to a Spanish university is to get your degree recognized. The Indian grading system is very different from the Spanish grading system. So, international students from non-EU countries should first get their high school certificate recognized to be eligible for admission to Spanish universities. You can apply to the university of your choice by directly submitting your application on the university portal. You also need to get all your documents translated into Spanish. When you receive the letter of acceptance from the university you applied to, it's time to apply for a student visa. The student visa application is to be made at the Spanish embassy. So this was all about studying in Spain. If you have questions, let us know in the comment section below. To know more about different countries, check out Leverage Edu's profile and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.